Hey everyone, this is Amy. A good day always starts with a good night's sleep. Do you often wake up and turn your pillow around and feel so hot? Try our new Club Spray pillow. Made of memory foam with a cooling gel that keeps cold, soothing sleep comfortably all night long. Can be used for back sleeper, side sleeper, and stomach sleeper. We highly recommend the ergonomic pillow, the Rosen Calm and Club Spray for your uninterrupted and comfortable sleep all night long. Senjum Braca, Lysol cotton fabric, red so you stay comfy and dry, while polyester, Lysol feeling, soft and fluffy. Enjoy sleeping in even temperature and a duvet very easy to care for. Hope to see you soon in the store. Have a good night's sleep.